Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For tonight's dish, I am having how can I say this? Paksiw lechon, but I am going to use chicken. So this is gonna be an experiment. Experiment 101. Experiment, guys, because this is the first time I am going to make paksiw lechon that using chicken, because paksiw lechon, guys, is one of the famous dish in the Philippines, but we use what do we use? Pork. And the original paksiw lechon is from the whole lechon pig, and if there's leftover, we chop it in small pieces and use that meat to make paksiw lechon. Mainly the pork belly part is the best part of the lechon to make paksiw lechon. And yes, and if we do not have the whole roast pig, we make the pork belly part like lechon, cook it like lechon, and then use that meat to make paksiw lechon. So hopefully I explained that properly. But anyway, of course, here I cannot find the whole roast pig, so when I make paksiw lechon, I just buy pork belly, you know, the piece like this size, and then I make my own lechon, and then that's what I use if I want to make paksiw lechon using pork belly. But for tonight's dish, since I do not have pork belly, can you imagine? I ran out of pork belly, and I don't have pork belly, but I wanted to eat some paksiw lechon, so I'm going to use chicken. So the chicken, I'm using the chicken breast with the part, you know, the part of the chicken breast that has the bone. Because you know, on chicken breast, if this is the chicken breast, the part here is all meat, and the bottom part, you know, it still has meat, but I use the part that has bones, only because the bones, when we after sauteing it, boiling it, after I saute it, when I boil it, the bones will give much flavor to our sauce. But the first thing I would do is going to air fry first our chicken breast. And for this chicken breast, I marinated it with soy sauce, salt and pepper, chicken bouillon, and oil. I marinate it with that, so when we air fry it, the chicken has a little bit of flavor already, and hopefully it will have a little bit of juice comes out, so we can use that juice as well to, you know, include our water for our broth. And I have my air fryer there. I'm going to preheat that, and I'm just going to air fry it for probably 5 to 8 minutes. So that's the main ingredients for our Paksiw lechon using chicken breast. And I will show you the rest of our ingredients for our Paksiw lechon. First, we're using olive oil, chicken powder, salt, and pepper. And that's the chicken that I marinated. And then we're going to use 2 cups of water. I have garlic, onion, and bay leaves, brown sugar, white sugar, only because the brown sugar is not really sweet, guys, so I'm adding white sugar, and then black peppercorn, and this is cornstarch. We're going to make slurry, vinegar, and soy sauce. So that's all of our ingredients. So it's now preheated. I sprayed a little bit of olive oil, so hopefully it won't stick. Okay, and then we are going to air fry this. And the chicken is done. I think there's a little bit of the sauce came out, but I don't think it's enough to use it. Not really that much. That's okay. Now we can saute. Got olive oil, garlic, onions, and then the chicken. I'm going to get this broth or the juice. Smells so good. The soy sauce, I'm going to put just half for now. Then the sugar. Again, just that for now. The reason why I put the sugar first, guys, before the water, so it will caramelize the sugar. Now I can put water. I'll save this for the slurry. Then the chicken powder, black pepper. I'm not gonna put salt yet. I'm going to taste it first because I don't want it to get too salty because of the soy sauce and the chicken powder. I'll let it boil first, then I'll taste it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add all of it. And the vinegar. Wait for a few minutes before we can stir it. Okay, now we can stir it. Okay guys, time to put the slurry. And I tasted it and OMG, it's so good. Gonna put just that much first because I don't want it to get really thick. And that's it, guys. It's done. Look at that, guys. lechon using chicken. Can you imagine? I've never thought that I can use chicken to make paksiw lechon. Look at how delicious it looks. The sauce or the broth is so good. Just the broth is already dish. Even you don't eat the meat. And I have sticky rice. So that's why I didn't put a lot. So hopefully I will just eat half of that. Paksiw lechon using chicken. Chicken breast. I was kind of worried, guys, that because I air fried the chicken, that it's going to be tough or not tough, hard, but it is very tender still. So cooking it in air fryer for I can't remember for that long, it's actually perfect. Yeah, the meat is very tender. The sticky rice is so yummy with the broth, but maybe if I use chicken thighs, it will probably better. Chicken thighs with the skin still on it. Good experiment for the one that don't eat pork and you want to eat paksiw lechon. Use chicken, but it's better if you use chicken thighs. So there you go. Next time I make this, I'm going to use chicken thighs instead of chicken breast. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, guys, welcome to Win's Life, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Win's Life, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when I have a new video. And please, the thumbs up, guys, the thumbs up button. Please don't forget to click on that as well because it will help our video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.